Okay guys, I'm back again. I figured I'd do a proper introduction to my truck. So this will be it. It's a 2004 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD with the LB7 Duramax motor. Truck is really dirty right now, so please forgive me. Alright, so we'll start with my favorite, which is the wheels and tires. They are 20 by 12 Fuel Mavericks with a negative 44 offset with Nitto 420 305 50 20 tires, sorry. And they do rub. I do not have it NorCal modded, so it does rub pretty bad at full crank. For suspension, I'm still on stock suspension, stock shocks. The front's been raised 1 inch, and then for the rear's been dropped 3 inches with drop shackles from Belltech. And if you buy these wheels on a stock suspension, the rear end will be about 2 inches, and so what you have to do is you have to buy wheel spacers. So I bought Bora 2-inch hub-centric wheel spacers for the rear. I do not have a tailgate. It is getting ready to get sent off to be painted, along with I have a Rollpan I'm getting painted. Taillights are stock, they're just tinted. LEDs all the way around. LED smoked third brake light. I need to debadge it still, but I just need to buy the 3M wheel to get the sticky adhesive off. Fender flares are off, so if you take fender flares off from a 14-year-old truck, there will be some scuffs underneath from the plastic rubbing at the top. But then I have traction bars that I got from a friend. They were only $100, so I figured why not buy them, just put them on. Aftermarket mirrors, they came with the accordion style, put these on here. They're powered, heated, LED turn signals. AVS weather guards. I don't have a front one for the front one yet. Smoked LED cab lights. Aftermarket LEDs. LED light bulbs, and then HID in the front. Aftermarket lenses. I bought a 2-inch cowl hood that goes on a 2006 2500 HD, and if you do that, you have to get a aftermarket grill for that too. So, because the LB7s have a curve right here, whereas the 06s do not, they just go straight. So I have one of those already. I just gotta get the hood painted as well. For fuel, it has a AirDog 165 4G pump. So it's been pretty nice. I've had it on for about a month, and I've noticed quite a bit of difference. It's a lot more responsive in the pedal. For interior, it's just stock, cloth, aftermarket head unit, Kenwood, speakers. I am running this right now because I've been having a little bit of issues, but I know what the problem is, so it's going to be going fixed. I do need tint, but the backs are tinted, 20% on the sides, and I think maybe 50% on the rear, I believe, or 20%. I don't think it's the same. But the exhaust is a 3-inch downpipe to a 5-inch MBRP straight pipe to a 7-inch tip. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Sounds pretty good, I like to think. So that's my guys. Subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned. We're gonna be building this truck for a while. So let me know what you all think. If you have any questions, just let me know. Guys, I'm back. Just finished installing the intake. I'm gonna wait until I get my head gaskets replaced to install intake horn. But I'll show you what it looks like with the intake on itself. I did just wash it, except for the wheels. It really spruced up the engine, but it still needs intercooler pipes and the intake horn on. But there it is, guys. I'll run like a show on. But yeah, it wasn't too much of a pain to install. It's really, really bright. The camera shows it's a lot lighter, like right in here, but it's actually like dark, like it's dark like that, the whole thing. So, but it's really obnoxiously bright. I know it's gonna show up dirt like crazy. But you got pre-filter on there, and everything. So, yep. If you guys want to see more videos, subscribe.